She removed the stains from her face forever in 4 nights. This is no joke. This time we bring some low-cost tricks to eliminate those spots on the face that causes us the sun, and is nothing more and nothing less than with the carrot. This is known in the gastronomy in delicious dishes, but also in the area of the beauty by its power to equal the tone of the skin and bleacher. Besides that, you can apply it cold to calm the irritations. Some benefits of carrot for the skin: helps to deflate the bags under the eyes, lightens and removes stains, moisturizes and nourishes the skin deeply, disinflames the tissues of the face, prevents aging, reduces acne. Carrot masks. 1. Carrot with lemon. Blend the carrot and make half a lemon juice. Apply on the face for 15 minutes and wash with plenty of water. 2. Carrot and onion. Liqueous half an onion and a whole carrot. The juice you apply it in the affected area by 10 minutes and rinses with abundant water. 3. Carrot with cucumber. Blend the carrot with half cucumber. The juice apply it for 20 minutes and wash with cold water. 4. Carrot alone. You take the carrot, the liqueurs and also apply it for 25 minutes and remove with plenty of water.